What is up, y'all? As you can see by the title, and probably can see by my hair too, I just got this on it right now, but I'm gonna take it off soon. We're doing a dread retwist transformation, hair done, baba. Alright, I am beyond late already for my appointment, but my hairstylist, you know, like we real cool. So they ain't gonna violate, although I'm real late for my. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, okay, for all my new peoples. Then, if you like the video and you don't want to see more of this stuff, then subscribe, you know? Subscribe. All my old people, my Zapsters, like the video, comment. You guys know what to do already. Share the video. I'll see you guys in the next part. Finally, to start. So, first things first, let's turn this water on. Tear down. Might have to be a little louder. Ooh, I feel so good, like amazing. Let's do my hair. Oh, that feels good. That feels very good. Whew, that feels good. Oh my God! Wow! Here is rinse. Let's turn off this water because you know water prices be high, especially in New York City. I don't need my water running for no reason, so turn that off. Boom. Hair's wet, as you see. Hair's wet. Feels amazing. Oh God, I love that. I love to do it to my hair. So I'll show you guys the shampoo and stuff I be using. And the new one I have started to use. The only one that's not really what it is, because I have a little mixture I did, is this one. So this one I have Dr. Bronner, two different ones. I think like the lavender and peppermint, and then I forgot another mixture I put in this one. But it's like really just mostly Dr. Bronner, so I'm gonna use this as well too. But it's in a different bottle because you know your girl be buying the big Dr. Bronners and then just refilling my bottles, because the mini and the medium-sized one is so overpriced. It don't make no sense to me. I'm going off subject now, but yeah, this is Dr. Bronner. Also have this right here. So this is basically a sorrel shampoo in a way. I don't really know. I say sorrel because hibiscus is sorrel, but yeah, it's hibiscus. You know, it's hibiscus shampoo. It smells really good. I ain't gonna lie to you, it smells really good. So I got this for the dreads part. You feel me? Cause we gotta do the root and then the dreads. So this is for the dreads. Also have this, as you know, I always use this. This is the turmeric one, but I also have the tea tree one. So give me a second. Tea tree one right here. Tea tree. I'm just gonna use it a little bit. Y'all wanna see? I'm gonna think it's a lot of stuff, but it's really not a lot. I do the roots and I do the dreads. So it's two different little shampoo parts I be doing. And then lastly, but not least, this honey one. This is the one my mom put me on to. So basically like a repairing type of shampoo. It have like shea butter, honey, other, you know, beneficial stuff that is good for not the scalp only, but also the hair as well, like your actual dreads or, you know, your hair you want to do. So yeah, this is what I'm going to use real quick. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to split it. Hopefully you guys can see how to split it. Split it on the middle. Probably might not be a perfect split down the middle, but it's okay. It don't gotta really be too much perfect. Wrap this one up real quick, this side. And then we have this part we're gonna do. So we first gonna start with the right side. So what I'm first gonna do is use some of the honey one I was talking about. So yeah. See, not too much, because you know y'all, you don't need to put too much shampoo And right here like that. Gotta make sure you guys can see. So I lift my head up. Usually I be doing it down so it be comfortable for me, but I wanna make sure you guys can see. So oh my gosh. Let's find the right temperature. Temperature. Oh, now this temperature is a little hot. That's why I have to put it on my head here. Because sometimes I turn it on a little too hot. Do y'all hear that new Nicki album? Look. I'm like, ah! Alright, it's good. So y'all can see that I didn't wash. Y'all see the soap coming out? Y'all see that soap coming out? I'm about to make the soap come out. First out with the soap. Probably gonna see me cut into it when now I have it wrapped up. So people always asking me, right? Oh, is your hair not heavy on your head? Is your hair not heavy on your head? No, funny enough, it is not. But when I wash it and it's like this, yeah, that's when I really feel the weight. That's when I'm really like, oh gosh, my neck is doing a workout. But it's wrapped up, even me, it's drying. So once I get to the part of actually retwisting and greasing the scalp and all that fancy, you will see. But yeah, if you've been liking the video already and you liking the vibes of it, give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, press that button. I'm like actually really cold because the wetness of the towel going on my neck. I'm cold. I wanted to show you guys this little part because I got this coconut. I should say I really do. Damn, I ain't got a straw. How am I supposed to drink it? I think I have a straw. Hold on. I got this coconut, basically. Not me, really and truly. My mom got this coconut, and it's so good. And it's like so little fun and interactive to basically open. So I'm gonna show you guys. You know, the first thing I'm gonna do is how it is. It's so good. Like $2. $2. I feel like I'm in the islands right now. $2. That's it. $2. I said, wow, amazing. What you want to do? I recommend. I always mess this up for some reason. I don't know why, but I would say cut this. See that little part I cut it. wow. Like, what? I gotta pick that up. Oh, wow. I'm not gonna pull it all the way off. I just want to show you guys how the coconut look. So, you see, pull that back off, this little plastic thing off, which I do recommend. So I'm gonna do that, this little plastic thing, because it will be easier to push this thing down actually. So I'm gonna take this off so you can see. Take that off. So push this down real quick. Get that. You see, throw that in the garbage. You don't really need this tool. It doesn't really really make a difference so much. I don't know. To me, it doesn't make a difference, but who knows? This is how it look. So you're supposed to take this part right here, this, and then push it down. Oh, I'm making my skin kind of crawl a little bit. I don't know. Let me stop showing that. I'm so sorry for anybody who else feel like that too. So yeah, you push it down like this, and then it's supposed to just go down back in the coconut. You put your straw in and drink and enjoy. Yeah. There we go. There we go. It went down. Yes, sir. Okay. I was struggling a little bit with it. You gotta be putting your whole might into it. So yeah, it went down. But I just push it up now. Pull it up like that. You see, you take it out. I don't want to pull it out too much so you guys can see, but you see the thing is not there no more. Put that down real quick. Take a straw. You push the straw in. I'm like, oh my god, I messed up. They're not gonna believe me. And I feel like I'm in the islands, although it's cold. I'm in the islands. Let me put my foot up. Where my glasses at? Oh my god, that is so amazing. Oh my god.
It's just 4 doses a year after 2 starter doses. Serious allergic reactions and an increased risk of infections or a lower ability to fight them occur.
Why you stop?
If you have an infection or symptoms, have a vaccine or plan to.
Why you stop, sis? him. I don't know if I can see too much so well, but how I feel, like I really feel put together. But yeah, shout out to my hairdresser. Oh my gosh, shout out to my hairdresser. My mother. Who else? For me, that's supposed to touch my hair. But give the video a thumbs up, comment, and then also share. Go share this video. Zapsters, y'all know what to do already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Zappy out. My mom. Sis put in the work. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress, huh? Call that a transformation.